Hi, it's Dr. Pete, founder of Forces of Nature. I've been asked to talk about our heartburn product. So this product is something that I created because I had been suffering from heartburn. And for those who suffer from heartburn, which is just about every American, it's a nightmare. You know, how does this come about? Well, it comes about from acid reflux, or GERD, if you will, gastroesophageal reflux disorder or disease. And it is very aggressive, and you really need to treat it and treat it quickly. So, you know, you're out, you're drinking wine with your friends, your sushi, sake is what happened for me the last time. And unfortunately, I had a bottle in my pocket when I went out to have sushi with my friends the other day. And knowingly that the sake and sushi combination can really have a dramatic adverse effect on your intestines, if you will, your stomach acid. So certainly after that experience, the whole table, there was 6 of us, was suffering from heartburn, interestingly enough. And you know, certainly I was able to reach into my pocket, give it a little shake, take certainly like 4 or 5 drops of the tongue, and it was almost immediate, the relief that I experienced, that I passed around the table and we all shared it. And in fact, all 6 of us had a very similar reaction where the acid reflux, you could feel it just come down from the esophagus, which is where it gurgled up. It came right back down into the stomach, which is what you want. And that pain and that really nasty burping and whatnot, it just completely subsided. And why is that? It's because the medicinal plants that we blended into this product are of the most supreme quality. I know that because I've sourced them myself. You know, what type of medicinal plants are we talking about, Dr. Pete? Well, we're talking about medicinal plants that have an anti-inflammatory effect, those that will ease the esophagus, if you will, and allow that acid to come back down into the stomach. So what does this are the root herbs, all right, because they're grounding. We want to ground. Which root herbs are that? Well, that's Berberis, okay? So the berberine in Berberis has heavy in alkaloids, the same with garlic. Also, it's grounded, right, in the ground. So it's the alkaloids that will bring down the acid and back into the stomach. Very, very effective. What else works in this product is the Iris versicolor. Okay, Iris versicolor is very acidic. So it signals the body in homeopathic doses that, hey, we've got an acid imbalance here systemically, and the body will act on its own to therefore reduce the acid and bring it back down into the gut. That's what we want. That's absolutely a fabulous reaction, and that's why this product works so well. And finally, to round it off, also we've added peppermint oil, certified organic, which comes from the south of France. A lot of the peppermint oil on the market comes from China. It is completely to be avoided when you're dealing with any type of interaction and medicinal uses, if you will. So ours comes from the south of France. It's absolutely fabulous. And what's great about the peppermint is anti-spasmolytic. Okay, so we've got all these, in essence, you're having spasms in the stomach. Okay, so the peppermint oil works fabulous to be an anti-spasmolytic and calm down the stomach, calm down the gut. What's also great about the peppermint oil is it has an anti-nausea effect. So we know that if you have any type of motion sickness or you're suffering from some type of nausea, peppermint is a really, really great remedy to take in these type of situations. So this is why this heartburn remedy works time after time. It's really quite impressive. Thank you.